Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Looking to create a stunning personalized Shopify website for your business in 2025? You're in exactly the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to easily swap out your theme, customize images, add product media, update your logo and text, and really make your Shopify store feel like your own. Let's dive in together, step by step, so you can feel confident building a site that truly stands out. Alright, so the first thing you'll want to do is head to your Shopify admin dashboard and navigate to the online store section. This is where all your website's magic happens. Now, maybe you want a fresh look, something modern, or maybe uniquely suited to your brand's vibe. To do that, you'll be using another theme. Themes are basically the foundation of your website's appearance and layout. Think of them like the architecture of your store, setting the tone for your customer's experience. Browse through the theme library, explore all the different options. There are tons, some free and some paid, and once you've found one that feels right, go ahead and locate it. Next, you need to publish that theme. This step is crucial, because until your chosen theme is published, your customers won't see the new look. Click Publish. Don't worry, Shopify always asks for confirmation before it switches. Take a breath, double-check you've picked the theme you're happy with, then hit Confirm. Publishing might take a few moments, so if you see a little loading wheel, don't sweat it, just let Shopify do its thing. Now that your theme is active, click that big Customize button. This is where the real fun begins. Customizing lets you change just about anything in the look and feel of your store, and the interface is pretty intuitive. The first thing I like to update is the background image. Your website's background sets the mood. It could be something sleek and minimalist, or maybe a bright image that pops and ties into your brand's colors. Click into the section for backgrounds. Upload an image that you love, or pick one from Shopify's free library. Quick tip: high-resolution images look much more professional and inviting, so try to avoid anything pixelated or stretched. With your background set, go ahead and add product media. What does that mean? Basically, you can upload images, videos, or even 3D models of your products. Product media is the heart of your online store. It's what customers use to decide if they want to buy. Click into your product pages via the customizer and add sharp photos, short videos, even lifestyle shots that show your products in real-world settings. Take your time with this. Great product media can make a huge difference in conversion rates. If you have collections, groups of products that go together, now's the perfect time to add those as well. Collections make it easier for your shoppers to browse and find what they need. In the customizer, look for the collections block and add yours. Title them appropriately. Maybe include a quick description so your customers know what's in each one. It's a little thing, but it helps users navigate more smoothly. Don't forget about your logo. Swapping out the default theme logo for your own is a big step toward personalizing your store. Click the logo section, upload your brand logo file, and tweak the size or positioning. The logo is like your store's signature. It tells people who you are instantly. Similarly, change up the text throughout your theme. You can edit the headline, slogan, menu names, just about anything. Play around here. Try different fonts. See which wording sounds inviting, which layout looks clean. Don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes the best ideas come from trying something new, even if it feels outside your comfort zone. And here's an important point. You don't have to get everything perfect on the first try. Customizing your Shopify site is all about going back and forth, testing changes, and seeing what looks best. If you make a mistake, you can always undo it. So take your time, explore every setting, and don't be afraid to tweak things and come back later if you need a fresh look. That's the overview. Just remember, the more you experiment, the better you'll understand what works for you and your customers. Perfection comes from iteration. All right, I hope this helped you feel more confident about customizing your Shopify website in 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful and want more step-by-step guides for running your online business, be sure to hit that like button. Leave a comment with any questions and subscribe so you don't miss any future tips. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.